Well, I think what we see in Arizona is the culmination, and I think the most unfortunate manifestation of a growing enforcement-only anti-immigrant rhetoric that's been going on. It really began in 1996 with the immigration law that really increased enforcement, allowed local police officers to participate with immigration officials with a signed agreement to enforce the immigration laws, to increase the penalties and the deportation of many longtime permanent residents for minor crimes. And since 1996, and particularly after 9/11 and under the former administration, sort of the enforcement model was the way to deal with the immigration situation. There have been many attempts, and the last really big attempt was in 2006 to try to reform the immigration laws to provide some kind of path for legalization for the undocumented population in the United States. That failed, and I think what we got instead was increased enforcement. Some would say that the only way we were ever going to get immigration reform is if we first increase the enforcement. But really, I don't think that's true, because over the last years we've had increased enforcement and absolutely no legislation that would legalize or provide legal status for the undocumented people in the United States, or reform our immigration system to make it easier for people to come to the United States legally. Immigrants don't choose to cross the desert. They don't choose to have themselves smuggled into the United States. Certainly all the clients that I've seen over the years would gladly come to the United States, would be ecstatic if they could come to the United States legally. Nobody wants to risk their lives coming to the United States.